Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add restart computer options on right-click in Windows 10. Type Notepad in Windows search bar. Click Notepad. Copy text from description and paste it. Click File, Save As. Select Desktop. Click Save As, type to all files. Type any file name with .reg extension. Click Save. Right-click, click Merge. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.